Okay, hello, I'm John. We're back, and today we're going to get Denise's specialized Scirocco wheel back up and running. Finally got the parts in that I've been waiting on since before Christmas, and well, they're here. So this was the old one, the Freehub. This is without any of the bearings because I took them out because they were ruined. There's one. You can't feel it, but it's not nice. The other one is actually worse. It's like gravel and sand. Really bad. And the real problem was the fact that the pawls weren't engaging because the spring was in two pieces. It should only be in one piece. So I've ordered more parts to rebuild this one to have a spare. And in the meantime, I decided it would be easiest to just get another one. And so it has arrived. And what do we have? We have a new Shimano Freehub for a Campagnolo Scirocco wheel. And yeah, the bearings are nice. So we have already taken apart her wheel. We've cleaned out all the old crap. Taken the old Freehub off, put new grease up in there. You can see. So now let's just basically getting it back together. So here we go. I normally wouldn't be working in the kitchen counter, but it's cold and shit. Really cold. It's 0 outside, or 2 or something ridiculous like that. Right, so this is left-hand thread. Left-hand thread, outer nut, then we have a little spacer. And now that's what we want. Pawls correctly installed. That presses on. I'm going to need a little bit of help to get the pawls down in so they engage. Just there. Boom. We're in. And everybody's happy. Lovely. Now, put a little spacer on. Put a little left-hand thread nut back on. It's very tight. correctly, we need a 17 mil wrench to snug that on. So, 17 mil. Yeah, 17. And don't break stuff. And a 5 mil Allen key to hold the axle. So an Allen key, an axle. There. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Right. And unlike before, it engages. So nice, smooth, quiet, and engages. And that's what we want. Happy days. We'll stick the cleaned up cassette back up on there with the back spacer. And I think it's 1.85. But anyway, it's what came off of it. So yeah, we'll put that back on, give it a little grease, and be ready to go down the road. Thanks again for this quick short video. As always, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm still working out my camera and the angles, and I could tripod. We'll see how that works out. Anyway, yeah, always looking to improve. If you have any questions or comments, throw them down below. Thanks again. Bye.